Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Wendy's Kooky Crochet Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how I block some of my stuff, like my squares. I block my granny squares, or like these are squares that I'm going to be making blocks or cubes out of. So I'm going to show you how I do that. I got this really super cute new blocking board for Christmas. So it comes with all of these little pegs, these metal pegs, and it comes with a little stand here, and it looks like a bear. My daughter knows I love everything bears, so she got me this and I absolutely love it. So let me show you how I block this. Now first, these are going to be, this block is going to be 5 by 5, so I'm going to take my measuring tape here and just do a 5 by 5 kind of square there on my blocking board. Get about here, maybe do one further up, so about there. And it doesn't have to be just absolutely perfect. It can be, oh, that's probably fine. And then let's do it from here. Center this a little bit better so you can see it better, huh? So this is about 5, and here-ish. Please excuse the animals, they are running around right now. And there to about there-ish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the blocks that I've already made. Oh look, this one's super long. I grabbed the longer one. I think I want a shorter one, not a longer one. Not like it really matters though. Alright, because I don't have a lot to stack on top of each other. If I had a ton to stack on top of each other, then I would want a bit of a longer one. So here I'm just putting this into these little, putting it into that last stitch that I made. So you see how it stretches this block to make it the size that I want, and then I'm just going to push it down so it is the size that I want it to be. And then on the ends here too, see how it's kind of curving in on the ends. I don't really want it to curve in on these little ends here, so I'm going to just take this. I stretch it out. Actually here, I'll do this because there's a peg right here. Or, like, where's a good one to put it in? Let's see here. Yeah, right there's not too bad. And I wouldn't have to, again, you don't have to do it. It doesn't have to be perfect here. But you see how it's kind of curving in a little bit, and that's not really what I want. So I'm just going to take it. Right, there's one. So take that one there, and then let's see here. Where's one over here? Right about here, right? Yeah. And that one's pretty straight there, that edge is. So then all I do from here is I'm just going to wet this down a little bit. So I'm just wetting it down some. That way it will, that way it makes it kind of harder so it'll stay in place. Got a little water on the side. It's okay. I can mop that up with this one. So I've just got like my spray bottle here. So this is just a spray bottle with water in it. And again, I'm just wet it down just a little bit so it'll stay in place. And then I'm going to stack my next block. And I like to do that. You don't have to do that, but I like to. Oh gosh, I picked a long one again. Did not want to pick a long one. To me, it's easier if you pick them all the same size. So here again, just doing the same thing that I did before with all of these. And see how you can stack multiples? There. And there. Excuse my house right now. I have animals running all over the place. And then I'm just going to do the same thing I did before. Just going to kind of wet it down some. I'll mop this up with this one because I can. Again, I just wet that down a little bit. And I'm going to do the same thing yet again. that side, that to this side. Working this one in a little bit. And really, that's about it, guys. That's about all you do. I'm probably going to leave just a little bit of room in between these, though, so it dries out a little bit faster. So I like leaving a little bit of room in between them so they dry out faster. But that's really all you do. Now, it may take an hour or two for these to dry. So I just do this before I'm wanting to use the project for anything. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, and happy hooking, everybody.